be aware of what is called restoration, because restoration is a nice word. It's a very sort of fuzzy word now. But to look a little critically at what the projects actually achieve. And are they restoring true ecological process? And are they bringing people to be able to connect with the rivers? So those are probably the key criteria, I would say, that we want to use. Typically, a river restoration project should expand the footprint of the river, should expand the corridor in which the river can erode and deposit and flood. By giving the river more room, then you are allowing it to be a river, to be natural, have these natural functions. And so wherever we can do this, expanding the space of liberty for the river, that's a French expression, espace de liberté. Wherever we can expand this, then that's probably a true restoration.